Okay, we're getting really close to the end. What we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to add the new oil. And I want to talk about the amount of oil really quickly. For this particular vehicle, we're going to more than likely add 5 quarts. And it's a really good idea to check as you're adding, especially once you get to, say, 3 or 4 quarts, to go ahead and continually check your oil dipstick to see that you're getting the right amount of oil in your car. Because you definitely don't want to underfill it, but you don't want to overfill it either, because both are bad. So just make sure you try and hit that mark that is recommended on the dipstick. And also a good place to find that information as to how much your car will hold is your owner's manual or repair manual. Those are good resources for you. So I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to this car. So I'm going to go ahead and put the funnel right there. Just and this hole is right where we took the engine oil cap off. So we're going to go ahead and add one of these oil quarts. And that's pretty simple. I mean, you're just adding oil. The funnel makes it so much easier, so you don't have to. If you spill some oil on the engine, it's not a huge thing, but kind of makes your engine kind of dirty, and also will smoke off as your engine gets hot. So we're going to try and avoid that. So we're going to go ahead and add the rest of this oil to the car, and we'll be set for a quick check over, and we'll be done.